Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Nike offline vest, gray color. This one's retail for $120 plus shipping. So they run about 130 something bucks. The colorway is vest gray, dash barely volt, summit white. It was released on August 28th, 2020. The style number on this is CJ0693-001. And this is size 9.5. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. I'm not sure why it comes with this big bulky box. It's like a double deck compared to the Easy or the other Nike shoes that we haven't been getting. So let's go ahead and open this up. Anyway, by the way, this one is so ready. There's an invoice. So here is the style number, description, and then the price. So there's a $15 shipping fee, no tax. So the total damage is 135 bucks. Wow, look at this box. So you got this marking right there, and you got the Nike switch on both ends, and you got the N.354. And you got this design right here. Looks like a drawing Nike swoosh. This remind me of the Off-White. Got another swoosh logo right here. See how thick the box is. And then this side you got the Nike. Got the Nike swoosh, swoosh. Just do it. And here's your recycled sample right there. The box is made in China. And nothing on this side. Let's go ahead and check out the size label. So it is size 9.5. There's your UPC code right there, the style number, and then the retail price on this is US dollar 120 bucks. There's a QR code right there. Let me rotate it so you guys can see the number in case you guys want to do some legit check. And you have N.354 right here. And then there's a cutout opening right there. So let's go ahead and show you guys. If I could try to get this thing open. Oh, it is locking with this thing. Wow, look at that. Look at that. And right here is printed, just do it, deposit. Got the Nike swoosh logo right there. You got the swoosh logo right there on the back toward the heel. There's a bunch of printing on here. Yeah, so I'm not sure what all those numbers represent, but wow. So let's remove the tray, the top tray. Wow, look at that. Holy. This thing is pretty heavy. Wow. But it is pretty heavy. It's a Velcro right here on the top. So there's a buckle right here if you want to make it tighter. Got the nice swoosh logo embroidery right there on the top of the toe box. And you got this clear strap that has a drawing a Nike swoosh and then N.354. And this is like a foam. Kind of weird design. Got this neon stitching right there. And right here on the front of the toe box or the midsole, you got the Nike. Got the swoosh logo right here in the reverse. And you got the swoosh logo right there on the back. And there's like an arrow, almost like a pause button with this neon pull tab. Let's take out the shoes tree. So this one comes with the pink insole. If I could try to get it out. Alright. Some of the insole it is different. The pink one, you got less of those dots compared to the green one. You got a whole bunch of those tiny dots all mixed with different size. And then on the pink one is a different pattern. Yeah, it's just kind of weird design overall. Got the reverse swoosh logo with just do it deposit right there. Let's go ahead and finish checking out the shoes. I will need to turn on the flash, to look at the inside, but check out the outsole real quick. got those dot, and then right here on this section you got the switch logo and the box logo. All right, let's go on and turn on the flash. So this is like a kind of soft mesh material, but not really a mesh. Kind of like a honeycomb pattern. Let's go ahead and turn on the flash and check out the inside of the shoes. All right, so this is with the flashlight on. I'm not sure if there's any 3M reflective, but doesn't look like it. And right here it says Nike and the switch name and stripe are trademark and your guarantee of quality. So right here is almost I feel like those tennis ball material. And on the inside, it's padded right here. Let's go ahead and check out the size label real quick. And in case you want to go and check out the stitching. So be sure to check out the style number right there and then the UPC code to match with the box. And this one is made in Indonesia. This one is not made in China or Vietnam. Okay. And then there's a hole right there. I'm not sure what's the purpose of that. And be sure to look at the inside the box. Have all this corner right there. And be sure to look at this sticker right here. And then top of the lid or inside the lid have this. And also has a stamp of the number right here. This one is 0406-200 something. And then there's a number right there for the dimensions for the box. Let's go ahead and check out this side. Little bit loose thread right there. Let's remove this real quick. Not sure if you could well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.